150, okay.
1600.
1600. আচ্ছা,
ম্যাম,
বলো।
ম্যাম এই গ্রুপ বি বি এর যে আমাদের আগের দিনের যে ট্রান্সফরমার সাইজটা ওটা বলা বলা হয়নি।
আমি নিচ্ছি, 1 মিনিট। আমি একটু ফাইলটা ওপেন করে নিই। গ্রুপ বি এর মধ্যে দুজন বলেছিল, B3 আর B4, অন্যদের কি একই বেরিয়েছে? B1 B2 কি বেরিয়েছে বলো? শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
হ্যালো ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ, বলো।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, বলছিলাম আমাদের ট্রান্সফরমার রেটিং এসেছিল 2801.648, যেটা ক্লোজেস্ট টু 3150।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা ভিক্টর, তুমি কি আগে কোনো আইনওসি নিয়েছিলে?
ইয়েস ম্যাম, আমি এনওসি আগে নেইনি, আমার এটা ফার্স্ট এনওসি আর কি।
আচ্ছা, তোমাকে আমি যোগাযোগ করেছিলাম, তুমি মেলে উত্তর দাওনি, তাহলে তুমি
ম্যাম,
ফার্স্ট এনওসিটা পেয়েছো?
ইয়েস আমি মেল করেছিলাম, আমি দেখেছি, কিন্তু আমি ভেবেছিলাম এটা এইচওডির কাছ থেকে মানে অফলাইনে মানে হার্ড কপি তুলে নেবো, কিন্তু এখন তো যা পরিস্থিতি, আই থিঙ্ক আই শুড মেল ইউ।
তুমি আমাকে আমার মেলের কমিউনিকেশনটা দেখে অ্যাকর্ডিংলি মেলে কমিউনিকেট করো।
ওকে
হ্যাঁ,
ম্যাম। ওকে ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা। আচ্ছা, B1 পেলাম, আর টু B2 কার ছিল? B2 হচ্ছে
ম্যাম,
সৌরভ শীত।
ম্যাম আমাদেরও একই আছে, 3150।
আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। এবার ট্রান্সফরমার পজিশনে যাই। হ্যাঁ, পজিশন আমি বলেছিলাম করতে।
ম্যাম ওই আমি প্রিভিয়াস ক্লাসটা অ্যাটেন্ড করতে পারিনি তো, সো আই ওয়াজ হ্যাভিং ট্রাবল আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং ইট। সো আমি ভাবছিলাম আজকে সবাই প্রেজেন্ট করার পরে আই থিঙ্ক মানে ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে, এন্ড আই উইল সেন্ড ইট টু ইউ বাই টুমরো।
না কেন? তো আমি তো বলেছি যারা ক্লিয়ার করতে পারবে না তারা আমাকে উইদিন দ্য উইক কন্ট্যাক্ট করে নেবে। আমি তো বলিনি পরের ক্লাস পর্যন্ত ওয়েট করতে। তুমি তো সবসময় একটা ক্লাস, সেশনাল ক্লাসটা এভাবে হবে না, ডিজাইন ক্লাস। তুমি পিছিয়ে যাবে, আমি কি আর বলবো? আমি তো বলেছি সবসময় যাদের এরকম হবে, তুমি নেক্সট ক্লাস অ্যাটেন্ড যদি আগের ক্লাস যদি অ্যাটেন্ড না করো, তাহলে অন্যদের কাছ থেকে আগে জানবে, উইদিন 1 or 2 ডে না বুঝলে আমার সঙ্গে কমিউনিকেট করতে বলেছিলাম। সবসময় ডিজাইন ক্লাসে তাই বলা ছিল। তুমি যদি এরকম ডিসিশন নাও তাহলে তো আমার কিছু করার নেই।
আমার এমনি ম্যাম ওই ম্যাপিং এর ক্ষেত্রে আর ওই ম্যাপের জিনিসটা, ওটা রেকর্ডিংটা দেখছিলাম, বুঝতে পারছিলাম না, বাট ম্যাম হয়ে যাবে আজকে আই গেস।
ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা, এবার ট্রান্সফর্মার পজিশন কাদের কাদের করেছো বলো তো? ট্রান্সফর্মার পজিশন কারা কারা? হ্যাঁ, বলো তো কি বেরিয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, দেখাতে পারবে ম্যাপে কোথায় বেরিয়েছে? দেখো। হ্যাঁ, তুমি করতে দেখো। এখনো দেখিনি, দেখছি। হ্যাঁ, দেখতে পাচ্ছি। ওই সি লিখেছো, ওই জায়গাটা বেরিয়েছে ছোট করে, হলুদের মধ্যে লাল সি। আচ্ছা, সি জায়গাটা তোমার ক্যালকুলেট করে বেরিয়েছে না?
Point.
সেটা ঠিক আছে, সেটা এক্সপ্লেন করতে হবে না, সেটা ঠিক আছে। এবার যেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে, যদি তুমি সি থেকে এবার সমস্ত লোড গুলোকে কানেক্ট করতে হবে, সেটা কি আগের ক্লাসে বলেছিলাম যে ট্রান্সফরমার থেকে?
না ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা, আমি এটা একটু, আচ্ছা আমি এবার একটু বলে নিই ওটা, হ্যাঁ। তো আচ্ছা, তোমার এটা ঠিক আছে, একটু তুমি এটা স্টক প্রেজেন্ট করো, আমি একটু বলে নিই, তারপর তোমারটা আবার বলছি আমি। So you have if this is the sub block, then at every road point, so this is the road, the road segment station are there, so like this. 1 minute. So these are arbitrary road segmentation, say like this, maybe in this way. This will be continued. So every road has segment number, maybe like this. So now you have decided that how many load will be distributed from this segment. Now we shall assume that load has been distributed from the center of this segment. So like this. So if your transformer is here, say this is the transformer point, then now these are the load points. Say for example, then obviously every load could be connected with the transformer, right? In this way. So in this way, every load should connected with the transformer so that it can get the supply. Nearest রাস্তায় সেজন্যই বলছি। Now, if you put here, as the theoretical value is here, then you see here the bending of the bifurcation of the current will be here, conductors. So instead of that, if we could have put shift the transformer here, then this distribution will be easier. Understood my point? So that's why always transformer at the nearest road crossing will be better, right? But that does not means your road crossing is here and your transformer position is coming here, then you should not shift that much. But if if any nearby crossing is available within that segment, then you shift the transformer position at the crossing. Understood my point? So in that way, now in your honest case, there is a nearest crossing available. So you can shift the transformer there. Obviously, in that case, your load balance will be to some extent disturbed, but your distribution, the conductor arrangement will be easier. Okay, I wanted to explain that much, or this much also right now only. So now you see, Orish, you show your presentation now. Your figure you show. তাহলে তুমি দেখো তোমার এখানে 12 সেগমেন্টে যেখানে এসছে তুমি 12 আর 10 এর ক্রসিং এ নিয়ে নিতে পারো। বুঝতে পারলাম? তাহলে তোমার সুবিধা হলো কি 12 সেগমেন্টেই থাকলো। তোমার 12 লোড কিন্তু তাই জন্য যেখানে তোমার ডট আছে সেখানেই হবে, কিন্তু ট্রান্সফরমারটা তোমার এলটি লোডের কোনো পার্ট নয়, সেখানে একটা কন্ডাক্টরের জাংশন ছাড়া কিছু না, একটা নোড ছাড়া কিছু নয়। কিন্তু ওই ট্রান্সফরমার পজিশনটা এইচটি, তুমি যখন সিমিলারলি এইচটি ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন করবে তখন ওই ট্রান্সফরমারটা কিন্তু এইচটি ডিস্ট্রিবিউশনের একটা লোড পয়েন্ট, ওখান থেকে অল এলটি ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন শুরু হয়েছে। কাজে অল এলটি লোড অ্যাজ এ কনসেন্ট্রেটেড লোড অ্যাট দ্যাট ট্রান্সফরমার পয়েন্ট, সেটা আমরা এইচটি লোড যখন ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন করবো তখন আবার ওটা ভাববো। তাই জন্য এখানে তুমি ট্রান্সফরমারটা ওই 12 আর 10 এর কানেক্টিং পয়েন্টে বসিয়ে দিতে পারো। তাহলে এবার তুমি এরপর যেটা কাজ হবে, তুমি সমস্ত লোড গুলো ওর সঙ্গে যোগ করবে, ঠিক আছে? এবং এটা তুমি লিখবে রিপোর্টে যে আমার ট্রান্সফরমার পজিশনটা তুমি যেরকম কোঅর্ডিনেটটা বললে এখানে হয়েছে, সেই অনুযায়ী তুমি যে সিটা করেছো সিটা রাখলে, তার সঙ্গে তুমি অ্যাকচুয়ালটা এ দিয়ে দেখালে, ধরো যে অ্যাকচুয়ালটা আমার এ পজিশনে হওয়ার কথা, কিন্তু টু মেক দ্য কন্ডাক্টর অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট ইজিয়ার, we have shifted the transfer position to the road crossing as shown in figure by point C. বুঝলে? এইভাবে লিখবে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে অনিশের ট্রান্সফার পজিশন হয়ে গেছে। অনিশ সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো কি আমি যেটা বললাম? আর কোনো ডাউট থাকলে বলো। আচ্ছা, তাহলে এবার নেক্সট টু অনিশ আর কে বলবে বলো?
ম্যাম আমারটা একবার দেখবেন, আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে।
যাদের কোশ্চেন আছে তাদেরটা আগে দেখে নি। হ্যাঁ
ম্যাম
C2 আগে আমি যাদের কোশ্চেন আছে, C2 কি কোনো কোয়েরি আছে?
No ma'am, I have completed it.
So those who could not completed has some doubt. Let me clear their doubt at first, then I shall see your solution. Okay?
Okay, sure ma'am.
ম্যাম আমার B3।
ঠিক আছে।
ম্যাম আমি এই লোড গুলোকে লাইক রাস্তার মিডলে না নিয়ে রাস্তার সাইডে নিয়েছি, তো আমাকে কি লোড গুলোকে মাঝখানে শিফট করতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই, তুমি সাইডে দেখাচ্ছ তোমার রাস্তাগুলো ছোট ছোট বলে, লোডটা তোমার রাস্তার মাঝখানেই হবে।
ওকে ম্যাম। আর ম্যাম আমার ট্রান্সফরমার পজিশনে রেড ডটটার জায়গায় বেরিয়েছে,
সেটা কি তুমি কোঅর্ডিনেটর লোডের কিরকম নিয়েছো? লোড সেগমেন্টে নাওনি?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, মানে আমি সেগমেন্টের অলমোস্ট মিডলেই মানে মিডল গুলোতে নিয়েছি।
যেরকম দেখিয়েছো সেরকম, যেরকম তোমার ফিগারে দেখাচ্ছে সেইটা দিয়ে ট্রান্সফার পজিশন বার করোনি তো?
না ম্যাম, আমি কোঅর্ডিনেটর সেন্টারে দিয়ে বার করেছি।
মানে 12 এর যে ক্রস উইথ তার মোটামুটি সেন্টারে দিয়েছো তো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে তোমার বেরিয়েছে রেড ডট দেখতে পাচ্ছি। তোমার তো নিয়ারেস্ট ক্রসিং এর কোনো পসিবিলিটিই নেই।
না ম্যাম, তো আমি এখানেই নেব তো?
হ্যাঁ তুমি এখানেই নেবে।
ওকে ম্যাম,
আচ্ছা। আর কারোর কিছু ডাউট আছে? নাহলে আমি সি যেহেতু আগে শুরু হয়েছে সি ব্লক, তাহলে সি ব্লকটা আগে দেখে নি। C2 হর্ষ বলো, হর্ষিত না হর্ষ বলছিলে?
Yes ma'am, showing.
হ্যাঁ
Can you see my screen now? Is my screen visible ma'am?
no, stop presenting that skin is, oh now I can see, but can you make it bigger to some extent?
Yes ma'am, I am making.
Small.
Ma'am, first of all, this is my overall load distribution points. according to
1 minute.
each segment, and my transformer place is uh, right here. Wait, this one. But as you told that we should shift it to the nearest
28, 38 crossing will be better, I think, is not it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have done it. This is the place where I have shifted it now, as you told.
But you write that logic and the actual position also you indicate in report, okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I have
That
completed
you
the table also. Wait, I'm showing.
and this thing you write in your exercise book, that where you are continuing your report, that whatever I have told in sentences you write. What is your actual position and what will be your shifted position and why you are shifting. Okay. That is
Sure,
good.
ma'am.
Hmm. দেখি দেখি তুমি কি করেছো হর্ষ, দেখাও আরেকবার দেখি না, ওটা আমি খেয়াল করিনি। আমি
Yes,
বলছি
ma'am. Showing.
সব সেগমেন্টে সেন্টারে নিতে হবে লোড, নাহলে উল্টো পাল্টা হয়ে যাবে, তাহলে লিখতে হবে উল্টো, সবার লেখাটা সেম হবে না। তোমার
Can you see?
হ্যাঁ কোথায় কেন তোমার লোড গুলো এরকম সেন্টারে নয় কেন বলো তো, সাইডে কেন?
Ma'am, actually, in last class, you told that we should shift our load to the nearest corner available.
No,
So I
no.
have took.
I have told you to shift the transformer at the nearest corner.
Oh, okay.
লোড কেন নিয়ারেস্ট কর্নারে হবে? লোড তো আমি ওই লোড উই শ্যাল সেন্ড load actually you can distribute at any point in between that segments, okay? And if we
Okay,
want to
sure.
assume that uniformly distributed load, actually these segments we have done, there is no segment in actual case, that is a continuous load. So actually one conductor will be a continuous conductor, and from there branching will be there. So if that is in a uniform distance, then your conductor will be uniformly loaded, then voltage drop will be less, minimum. Okay, that
Ma'am, if
was the
our
reason.
yes, sure, ma'am, I understood. Ma'am, in case if our segments are imaginary, then if our load is coming to be at the end of the segment, is it a problem, ma'am?
Do you see this crossing 20, 36, 53, 52? So there will be problem. Okay, load becoming concentrated, not evenly distributed. But if you make at the center of the segments, then it will be more distributed. That's why that is the reason.
Okay, okay, sure,
Okay,
ma'am.
but in
Next,
practical case, if you do in this way, there will be no issue. But voltage distribution will not be uniform. So in that case, only the voltage regulation will be high.
okay, okay, sure, ma'am. I
Okay.
will cover it next time.
Okay, so you correct that thing.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Stop presenting.
Next to horse, who is show?
C3.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the transformation.
Where? Near 24? 74?
74.
74 on the side of 77?
Yes, ma'am. On side of 73.
That is plus side you have shown. That is like plus side.
Cross. Yes, ma'am. Cross.
Cross sign, no. So you can shift it near to that crossing 74,
Yes,
73 and 71, I think. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
75, I think.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there we
75.
shift the transformer, okay? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we shall proceed.
Okay,
Okay, I
ma'am.
am noting down. Then for C4, have you done it? C4, Aman? Is Aman there? Aman Kumar?
Ma'am, Aman is not feeling well. He has
Oh,
tested positive for corona.
oh my God. Where is he? In his home?
Yes, ma'am.
How is he?
He is fine.
Okay. Some symptoms are say mild.
He is healthy, ma'am.
Okay. You should take care. You should keep in touch with him. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Over phone. Okay. Then. But Aman was absent, I think, in other classes also.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but we completed other work of him,
Okay.
but this time we couldn't do it, unfortunately.
We shall wish at first speedy recovery of him. Nothing more than that.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Okay, next to C, block A, B, who will show?
Ma'am, block
Ma'am,
A.
A3.
Block A. Okay, let us start from block A.
Ma'am, will I present A2?
A1 has shown. A1, Rishabh,
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম A1 দেখাচ্ছি।
A1 তো সিরিয়ালি দেখাও, তাহলে আমার সুবিধা হয়। তারপর আমি পরের স্টেপটা বলবো।
ম্যাম দেখতে পাচ্ছেন?
দাঁড়াও আমি দেখি। হ্যাঁ দেখতে পাচ্ছি। তুমি ট্রান্সফার পজিশন দেখাও।
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা, ট্রান্সফর্মার পজিশন আমার এসছে এই যে।
তুমি লোড সেন্টারে নিয়েছো তো সিটি সেগমেন্ট গুলোর, নাকি
হ্যাঁ
আবার
ম্যাম সেন্টারে নিয়েছি।
তোমার তো ডট গুলো সব রাস্তার বাইরে দেখাচ্ছে কি? না এগুলো কি?
না ম্যাম ওটা হচ্ছে ওই মানে ম্যাপের প্রিন্টের যে ওইগুলো, আমার এই যে ব্লু ডট যেগুলো রয়েছে
হ্যাঁ
সেন্টারেই
বুঝতে
নিয়েছি।
পেরেছি, ঠিক আছে
আর এই
দেখতে
পজিশন এখানে এসছে সেগমেন্ট
তোমার
70
তো
তে।
ভালোই এসছে, তাহলে কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, তোমার তো শিফটিং এরই দরকার নেই।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম এই ক্রসিংটা এসছে।
ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা।
ওকে ম্যাম স্টপ করছি।
নেক্সট টু দ্যাট।
Yes, ma'am, presenting. Ma'am, my coordinates are this one, 38.5 and 38.8. And my transformer position is here, segment 170. Here.
Here, okay, so it is also very near to crossing.
Yes, ma'am.
So you just shift to some extent and left hand side from the screen
Yes,
as I am showing towards the segment, I think 69. So it
Yes,
will be better. Okay. Then next to Amisha.
Ma'am, should I show A3?
Yes. Every one of you should confine in your home. Do not go out of your home.
Ma'am, here
Because
where
you have
blue
not
dot
got vaccinated, so you must take care of yourself. Okay.
Ma'am, here where the blue dot is, actually I have pointed out the shifted one. The actual was like the calculated one was near this point where the 200
Okay,
point.
when you show the report, when you write the report, there you show the a calculated one and actual one also. With
I have just noted down the calculated one, but I have just pointed out the actual
okay,
one.
no
Like,
problem, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Then next to that, Akhil. Next to Akhil.
Can I present?
Yes.
Ma'am, yeah, this is the load for distribution.
Ma'am, Harshit is not in our group. He's
No,
not
no.
in group A.
No. Only one. Prashant do.
अच्छा कौन कर रहा है? हर्षित कर रहा है क्या?
Prashant, you do.
अच्छा मैम I am not able to find the coordinates ma'am because
One
the
minute.
load is
Prashant, you know which group? I think A4.
ma'am A4 ma'am, this is the featured load ma'am.
1 minute. wait. And who was A2? A2 was Amisha, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And Prashant is A3. What about Akhil?
A4.
Ma'am, I am A3, ma'am.
Akhil was
Akhil
A3.
is A3, ma'am.
Prashant A3?
A4, ma'am, A4.
Akhil was A3. Akhil.
Ma'am, mine is A4.
Okay. I have told to give it so serially anyway. Then
Ma'am, this
what-
is the load distribution. Ma'am, the load distribution could not be completed, ma'am. The total load is not being able to distribute the total load, ma'am. That means this 15 kilowatt load, this total public load, public loading 15. It is not showing properly, ma'am. This 15, 10, and 35, ma'am. The total load is coming more, ma'am.
I could not follow you.
Ma'am, the total loading is coming more than the expected loading, ma'am.
How it can be?
Ma'am, the number of segments are required more, ma'am, in my case.
No, I could not follow. Say you have made the segmentation, you have made the load distribution. Now balance should always be there. Why it is not matching?
And this 15, 30, 10, and 35, if I add them up, then it will be more than the actual load, ma'am. Actual ideal desired load is 54.82. And if I add this 10, 15, and 25, then
Now,
it will
from
be.
where you are getting 10, 15, and 25?
Ma'am, this public loading, ma'am.
Public loading means where it is given as public loading in your map.
No, ma'am, that Allahabad Bank, that charge, and that sawmill, ma'am.
Is there any position given for that?
Yes, ma'am. In my no, ma'am. I mean to say if the total loads is in single story is 280, 53, and 12, right, ma'am? Then I need to decrease some single story or yes, some multi-story. Otherwise, it's not happening, ma'am.
That I have told that's why residential load will not be same at every segment. Okay, and if you have distributed, then in some cases it will be unbalanced. If you have done, I could not follow what you have done. How you have distributed? Say one is your asking load per segment. If you have to make the load distribution uniform, right? So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
how can you get the asking? That is total load available, total load connected divided by total segment available.
Yes, ma'am. That came out to be 54.82.
Okay, then some load. So now you see what are the fixed load from a particular segment. Residential load is not given anywhere.
Yes,
Somewhere
ma'am.
it is given. So some say para, some say colony may be given. So it is better to locate the residential load there. So then if you do in that way, sometime it may happen your load distribution will be non-uniform because it is a practical case. But how we shall proceed for every segment, at first we shall see what are the load connected there, and then extra asking part we shall compensate by round integer number of residential building. I think I have told in that way. So in
Okay,
that way,
ma'am.
have you done in that way?
Yes, ma'am. But then I need to decrease the story buildings, ma'am, 1 or 2 story building.
Where?
Ma'am, in the if I decrease 2 number of 5-story buildings, then it will be okay, ma'am.
Where you decrease?
Ma'am, if I decrease 2 this 5-story building, ma'am, then the output will be
No.
coming.
From where will you decrease? From your block?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you cannot decrease that. You have to shift that loading somewhere else because that two should be matched. Because at first you are making total collected load. You are adding them. Then dividing it by number of segments. Then you are getting some value. Then if you go to the original one, in map some loads are there and some residential loads are not there. So when you put the residential load through the segmentation, then obviously from both sides total LT load will come same. You cannot decrease, cannot eliminate any load. How can you?
Okay, ma'am, I will redo it again and send you. my
Did you
video.
learn? You understand somewhere you have make some silly mistake. Say in any segment it may happen. Your asking is 15 point something, and connected load is there only streetlight load, say 2 kilowatt, and your asking is 15 point something. Then you add the remaining residential load there. The residential load you cannot give in fraction. Say you give to you assume that you supply two multi-story building from there, one single-story building from there. I do not know what is the loading. According to loading, you have to decide. In this way, you have to match all the things, right? It should match. You cannot eliminate any load there.
Okay, ma'am. I will redo that.
So this problem may be done in different way. As Shriya, as far I can remember, Shriya has already put the buildings. So no problem. If she has already put the building, then she has to supply the building accordingly. So in that case, her load will not be so much uniform. Whatever become, that will be the result. Because in our case, in practical case, in your residential area, the electricity company does not decide that what will be the load, where load should be connected. That depends on consumer. Only the supply electricity supply authority supply that, and they have to decide. They have to arrange from their part how can make the balance. That's why they get supply from different phases to different lane. In that way, they balance, right? So that is entirely depend on you. How will you design? And here, since it is in academic for academic interest, we are doing. So there is some flexibility. We have flexibility to change the residential load. But in actual case, as she has done, that will actually be the actual case. The residential load cannot be shifted. That will be concentrated in the colony or the para that is given. Okay. So one thing, one convention you should follow. Either the other people on each other are done, or the Shia has done. But you cannot really delete any load from your case, from your block. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And so you redo it and send me the your transformer
Yes,
position.
ma'am. I will mail you.
Okay. And for Akhil,
Can I present?
I have
Done,
presented
ma'am.
already.
After me, Akhil presented.
Akhil has presented.
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
presented.
Krisha was presented, then Amisha, and then
Okay,
me,
like
and then Aprashan.
69 or something that from the Akhil, na? I forgot.
No, ma'am. Mine was
In
5.65 and 5.65 and 4.35.
in exact crossing. In your case,
yes, ma'am. It was
in exact crossing, na? Then
no, ma'am. It was not the exact crossing. I have placed it, shifting it to the exact crossing.
okay, you have shown the actual one only. So
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am. Yes.
shifted one.
Yes, ma'am.
And then next, which group will you show? B, group B.
Can I present?
Harshit, which group do you belong
Ma'am, group D3.
Group D3. Why we shall start from D3, then let us start from D1. Is there a D1 Amritamshu, have you done?
Ma'am, graph tracing is still left. I have calculated overall load and road current
Okay,
and everything.
then, and D2, Abhimanyu?
But I think at the end till the end of the class, I will trace out the.
Okay, and D2, Abhimanyu?
Ma'am, I haven't completed my remote, but I plotted graph and all that.
Okay, you complete it, okay? And show, Harshit.
Ma'am,
show.
actually the thing is, ma'am,
Tell.
ma'am,
Say.
the thing is in my home, except me, everyone is COVID positive. My mom, dad, both are.
Okay, take care of them at first. That is the first priority. And you do it as per your convenience. Okay. You do it. Okay, but at first, that will be the first priority. At first, you should survive. And the remaining. Now the situation is very bad. Okay, then show Harshit, show. And who are the people who are suffering with their relatives and others near and dear one COVID positive, then all other people in your group or in your subsection, you should help each other, because this is quite very unnatural situation for us.
I have got the transformer position here. So should I
Where?
shift it, here?
Oh, okay, shift. No, here shift you have to shift one more than one. So in that case, your unbalancing will be more. You keep it here. You keep it either in and transformer position. You one more thing you must remember: transformer position must be in one segment, maybe in a crossing. For say for this example, for Harshit, there is a crossing which involves with section 112, 113, and 136. But transformer position will be in crossing, but not in the junction point of two sections, because in that case you cannot identify this position when you do the HT distribution. So you put it in the crossing, but within one segment. Say here you put it in 112. Understood? The others to whom I have told to shift in the crossing. Crossing does not means in the intersecting part of two segments. Crossing means the transformer position will be such that in the crossing, but within only one segment. Everyone understood this point? Okay, otherwise you cannot identify that transformer position for HT distribution. Okay, for your case it will be here. So you shift it either in 135 or in I think 136, whatever the nearest one, but not the middle of 135. The only the shift the position to some extent, because it is at the junction point of 135 and 136. So shift a little bit so that it either belong to 135 or 136. Understood?
Ma'am, I'm asking can I shift here? Should I shift it to here or here?
Do you want to shift?
Yes, ma'am. This is the original position of the transformer which I have calculated.
No, from there you can shift it just at one. It is at the segment of at the junction point of the segments 135 and 136. Understood?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if you shift to the 112, then what will happen? Or your load distribution will be disturbed too much. But because you see, if you shift it to the 112, that means in the crossing on your the right hand side from screen, then you will see that your loads are all in the lower side.
Yes,
So your distribution will be hampered, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is better you keep it at the junction only at the road segment. You shift it only within the load segment, like here, as you are pointing.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
Otherwise, you can do it, no problem. If you want, you can do it. In that case, regulation will come more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Then next to Harshit.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it's Harsh. Ma'am, I have plotted, I have completed the new graph. Can I represent?
1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute. I'm joining from my laptop.
What did you say?
Ma'am, I completed that map again with the new points.
Okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, I'm joining from my laptop.
Okay. When you join, let me see others. I shall see your thing.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
At the
Sure,
end
ma'am.
of the
Sure,
class. Okay.
sure, ma'am.
And for D4, Pooja and Kishan.
Ma'am, I have also calculated the load distribution, but I have not marked
Okay,
it.
that I shall check later. Okay. Pooja and Kishan, you have checked.
Ma'am, I have calculated the load distribution, but ma'am, I have not marked it. Center of gravity I have not calculated.
Have you calculated? No, calculated, not calculated.
Not
So you do
calculated.
it. Okay,
Yes,
do
yes.
it. I shall give you next task. Okay. So you have to do that one also, transformer position, and the next task also by next week, because now the timings are very short. Okay. So you have to do it in to those who are lagging. At least you come at par with your friends. Okay. If there be any medical problem, that is another issue. Okay. Otherwise, you must be all should be at the same line, right? So Kishan, do your thing and come and make you update with the others. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do it by end of day today. Today only I'll do it.
Okay, then B, group B has attending. Tell me.
Ma'am, from group B, I have shown you B3. And ma'am, B4 Rajesh was supposed to do. And ma'am, Rajesh has finished the work. But Rajesh does not have electricity in his house for the past 2 days.
Oh my
So
God.
so ma'am, like he has no charge in his phone left. Like he texted me today afternoon, then he had 4% charge. So
Okay.
ma'am, and ma'am, he has done his work and he has got the coordinates. He has informed me and sent me the data.
Okay, then no problem. That's what I have told in this class, how to shift the transformer position. You convey him that one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
And that way, tell him to finalize that one when the things will be normal. So in your group only you have done at present I am writing that one.
Ma'am, even Rajesh has finished. He has found out the position of his transformer.
Okay, Tamna found out, but where? At the transformer, at the if he has shifted at the transformer at the crossing, then also it should be ensured that crossing does not mean at the junction point of two segments. It should be in one segment, but at the crossing. Okay, so you tell him that one. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. I will tell him. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am facing an issue in plotting. Could you help me out?
Okay, tell me.
Wait, can I represent?
Yes. আচ্ছা ভিক্টর কি ট্রান্সফার পজিশন দেখালে আমাকে ভিক্টর প্রথমেই দেখালো না ভিক্টর আছে এখানে তাহলে ভিক্টর কি দেখিয়েছে আমি মনে করতে পারছি না ভিক্টর সঙ্গে কথা
ম্যাম ভিক্টর বললো যে ও এই আগের উইকের ক্লাসটা করেনি বলে ও
করেনি হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা করতে পারে
Hello.
হ্যাঁ বলো
हाँ मैम, actually I use this software to plot the positions, and then I took the average of all the x coordinates and y coordinates because my load distribution was coming 84.2 kilowatts per segment. So therefore taking average is completely fine because each segment contributes 84.2. So ultimately 84.2 all will add up and get cancelled by the denominator. So my final position, yeah, except 3 that I took, that I calculated by hand. 3 was 10, 10 and 15. So my my location is coming in between. Now ma'am, can I shift this much of amount for?
Yes, we have to shift. So you can, since it is the center of the Bharat Nagar, so you can shift anywhere. Now you show me the total. You just zoom out it. Not zoom in, zoom out.
Zoom out.
It is exactly at the center of the that. So
A
as
little
far
bit below.
No, not from the Bharat Nagar. Actually, from your total load segment,
Yeah.
load distribution. So
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
think it will be better you make it on the right hand side, not in the crossing, on the near the segment that girls school, that one. Because if you shift to any crossing, so you see that from your load distribution, it will be in the CG, and it is at the perfect CG, I think. But if you if you want to shift it in the road segment, your CG will be disturbed. That is confirmed. But
Yes, ma'am.
that disturbance should be as minimum as possible. So if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
shift it to the any crossing, then that disturbance will be more. Then you shift to the any road segment. So you shift it to any road segment, not at the crossing. That means either in 4 and 41 or 40, I cannot understand. That is near below the
Girls school.
Bharatnagar.
Near
Girls school, what are the
R9,
road
near
segment?
R9, near R9.
R9 in between that, any segment you take. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
বলো
Ma'am, I'm showing
ওর
why.
যদি হবে যদি ওর সব রেসিডেন্সিয়াল লোডই থাকে বেশি
Yes,
ওর
ma'am.
যদি
Ma'am, 3 was girls' school, boys' school, and BDO office that were at the corner. Let me show. BDO office, girls school and boys school, only these three, and one more was there, Atta Chakki. These four were having 10 and 15 kilowatt loads. Rest all were residential loads. So basically residential load is up to me where I distribute. So majority section is this Bhakti Nagar, R10, R11, R9, Bharat Nagar, R9, and matlab it's concentrated in this area basically. So excluding that 4 which I calculated with my hand, rest all I took average, and then I used mean, matlab, formula for mean by adding those with the weighted percentage of 10 and 15. So it was coming right here in between. Earlier it was here. So right now it's coming in exact between Bharat
Put
and
down
Nagar.
all the
where it's
data and
written.
calculated.
Now তুমি load distribution কিভাবে করেছো? How shall I have did the load distribution? Load distribution will be manual. I think no software can make that decide that load distribution.
Load distribution, Anish has done, and I'm showing it to you. Wait.
Huh?
Showing, ma'am. It will take some time to reach there.
Load distribution তো সফটওয়্যার দিয়ে করা যাবে না।
Where you have distributed all the buildings and all.
Yes. You show me the table that was within the transformer position. From there
Yes, I'm showing that table only.
Per segment load का बात।
I'm showing that.
In that case, in that table, all
Ma'am,
the
this-
colors become same.
Ma'am, see these 28, this 51, 54,
No, 1 minute.
48 are
1 minute.
commercial.
10 kilowatt, and what is your asking load per segment?
84.2 kilowatt per segment.
Then why you have not made that one for segment 28?
For segment 20, ma'am, I have considered it. I am saying that I have taken mean of these, matlab 84.2 multiplied by 29th location, 30th location, and this thing software has done. That is combining 29 up to 47, and this one 26 and 27, and here 84.21. The rest I have multiplied with 10, 10, and 15,
No,
15,
I could
and
not
then
follow
I
you.
calculated mean.
I could not follow you. What is the strategy to distribute the load?
Ma'am, strategy is like when initially, wait, showing, ma'am.
No, nothing is required. What will be the strategy?
Ma'am,
Yes,
he
ma'am,
has
sorry.
basically divided the total residential load with the number of segments, and he has
Segment,
I
yes,
understood that
ma'am.
one.
Ma'am, this is the total residential this is the residential load.
Load, yes.
1916.46. I've divided it by the 28 minus 4, 24 number of segments.
How can you do that? How can you do that? Then residential load, residential buildings will be fractioned. It's not it. Say that in your table 84.2, that one will be the residential.
हर्ष मतलब कि तुम्हारा एक सेगमेंट में सपोज 1.5 बिल्डिंग आएगा जो पॉसिबल नहीं है, तुमको बिल्डिंग वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
Actually, the strategy is that let me tell him. Or you open your table.
Yes, ma'am, opening.
This not this one. That table for transfer.
Yes, ma'am, opening. This.
Say here, say transformer is load segment number 28, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
84.2 is your asking per segment only for residential load, right?
Yes, ma'am.
84.2, but you do not ask. Asking load means that does not means that one. Total LT load of your sub block. You calculate total LT load of your sub block. Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
when you have made the sub blocks, then have you distribute the residential load building wise or load wise? Because if you then done that one, then that was a major mistake. When you have distributed the sub blocks, then also you have to take care of residential load will be distributed. Along with that, the residential multi-story building, single-story building, the number should be integers. Understood?
Yeah, I
have
understood.
you done that one?
Yeah.
So
No,
in
ma'am,
that
I
way, you
distributed
do that
it load
one.
wise.
No, how? say actually here we are deciding, say which building, which load we shall supply from which segment. But we cannot make, or we cannot make all the segments, all the loads all together at a point. We cannot bring it. It is not like a water that you bring in a pond and distribute. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's,
Sure, ma'am.
their positions are same. So in that way you change your thing. Actually it cannot be. Actually,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
all distribution will not be same.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I'll change it.
This is very good notice. Thanks Anish. Otherwise he could we have to do it long again after long time. It is
Yes,
better
ma'am.
that we can recognize right now. So you must keep in mind, say if you're asking is 15.2, then you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
make that near to 15.2. But in every segment, it will not be possible. So at first, what is the loading you have to supply from your segment? What is the fixed loading? Say that 10 kilowatt atta chakki. Along with that, it should not be 10 kilowatt. Along with that, there is some street light loading in that segment. It's not
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
think
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have not considered that one there.
No, ma'am. I have considered. I have taken two street light in every segment.
No, then how 10? 2 street light means only 0.4, I think, kilowatt.
28 segments contributes to 28 into 256 56 street lights. That is 100.
No. Segment number 28. You're in your table. In segment number 28, you have written 10 kilowatt load. Is not it?
That is also after adding 0.2.
0.2. Then what is the loading of atta chakki?
I didn't remember it. I'll correct it and show it to you later.
Because it is in atta chakki loading. I think it is not in fraction. It is a round number. No
Atta chakki is 4 kilowatt.
No load in the load data is in fraction. So there is some error is there. You check it. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, I did it 84 point. Actually, I did it in 84.2.
Follow? আসবে না তো কারণ তোমার
Yeah, ma'am, I understood. Actually, I did that residential one incorrect by distributing it over all segments.
হ্যাঁ যাকে ওটা করে নি if you do yourself then only there will be mistakes, otherwise not.
Yeah, ma'am, I'll correct it and show it to you via email.
Okay. And if you have any doubt, then you contact me via email so
Yeah,
that
sure,
I can give you some time. You can join with same link and we can discuss over Google Meet. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. I'll send it to you by night.
Okay. And
hello, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Tell.
Ma'am, this is Abhimanyu. Ma'am, I have completed my graph work. Can I show?
Yes, show.
Okay. Ma'am, is it visible?
একটু দাঁড়াও।
Ma'am, is it visible?
দাঁড়াও আমি দেখছি না। Please wait for some time. And have file open করো, open your file. তোমার ফ্যামিলির সবাই অসুস্থ শুনলাম অভিমন্যু। Are your family members affected?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, so for the first 5-6 days, everyone have fever, cold, and everything. So my whole family have go to the hospital and finally tested positive for COVID, except me.
Now, how are they?
Ma'am, almost my mom has recovered, but my father condition is still critical.
Where in hospital?
Yes.
Is he in
No, ma'am.
hospital?
Actually, first a few days he was in hospital, but now he is in quarantine in home.
In home. So take care of him. at first,
Yeah.
and take care of all of your family members at first. We should all survive at first. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, is it visible? I have done this.
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Is it okay, ma'am?
You have traced that load number, load points, is not it? Okay,
Yes.
it is okay. And I cannot check whether you have traced rightly or wrong, that you know. So now you just from access, you calculate the distances and use the formula to find out the transformer position. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And how have you distributed the load? Have you done the table? You show me the table.
Ma'am, actually table hasn't completed, ma'am, because the final calculation there is little bit deviation from the original. So that's
And one problem, confusion with horse was there. So I just want to say that, clarify that with same mistake have you done or not? In your load distribution, have you taken residential load as residential building number as integer or not?
actually, ma'am, the thing is the single story, double story, and the load, everything. Because in my every segment the load is around 17.87. So I distributed the load according to that the total sum of the load came around 17 or 18, something like that. Yes.
But when you have distributed at every segment, there are street lights. Along with that, there must be some local loads in some segments, and then you have to fill up the remaining road with the residential one, with the condition that residential building cannot be divided into two parts. So one residential building will be belong to only to one segment, not to two segments. So you must ensure that everybody should ensure that one in your distribution.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? Just check it with the concern.
But if the K value which we have calculated, but it is coming less than the residential load, then what should we do then?
It is coming less than the residential load. How it possible?
Ma'am, our multi-story load is 26.8 kilowatt, and in the case of Avenue, the K value is coming 17 point something.
Yeah,
no, I am not taking that one. Say all the load in your subblock, say P. Then total number of segments are N. Then the loads per segment should be P by N.
Yes.
So this P by N value should be less than or should be equal to should be equal in all segments, but you cannot do it. So when you want to allot this P by N load to a particular segment, then you will see that this P by N load has some part of street light load, some local loads, a school, bank, some small industry like that, and remaining will be the residential load. Understood my point? Now, when in a subblock, say you are seeing that your total load in your subblock is 1500, and your segments is say 100. So in that case, loads per segment will be 15. Now in a segment, your street light loading is 0.4. There is a atta chakki say 10. Then 10.4 is your total load you have to supply from that segment. So remaining supply you can give to the residential load. So how much is remaining? 15 minus 10.4. So it is 4.6. Now 4.6 you can give it to some residential, some LT load, some residential loads, maybe some multi-storied building, maybe some single-storied building. So that will be near to 4.6. You cannot give more than 4.6. You can give up to 4.6 only. Or if you want to give more than 4.6, you should not deviate more than that. So in one segment, actual loading may be 15 to 16. Another segment, it should be then 14 to 15, because overall loading will be same. Have you got my point? Have you understood?
Yes.
So that is the thing I have told.
Ma'am, but I am asking that if let's say in our case the multi-story building is having a load of 26.8 kilowatt, and ma'am the P by N value of Abhimanyu is coming 17. So we have to divide the multi-story building load in two parts.
The
Then only we
multi-story building is one multi-story building is 20 point something.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is coming more than the P by N value.
Oh, no, ma'am, 26. It is one multi-story building rating is 26. And
26.
individual.
So if
Individual.
one multi-story building is 26, then say there will be some block where there is no other load than the street light load. Then you have to provide that multi-story building loading there. So obviously in that case it will be far more than 15. It is obvious, far more than 17.
Yes,
so this scenario will come for the segments where you will allow the that multi-story building. At the same time, in those segments, the loading will be near to the 24 or whatever you have told. So in some segments, there should be loading less than 17, because overall will obviously balance, because it's a mathematical calculation. But you have to provide that one. So some segments will be overloaded. We cannot do anything there. So in
Ma'am,
that,
but in the last class you told that you can supply a load from two different segments. Ma'am, we can divide the load.
yes. In that case, two different segments, that is for a bill, those two different segments for a I told for a say residential building or for anything. Yes, I have told that we have done also. In that case, you have to give two supply to that residential building. So it should be within a block. So in that case, say if there be any para colony, there you have to allot that load, and you can supply it from both sides, or you can divide by the segments surrounding to that. In that way, you can do it.
Yes.
Actually, in practical class, we do not do that one, but we have to do that one to make the load uniform. Otherwise, what will you say? Why I am telling you this unnatural thing? Otherwise, we cannot get the conductor size within range, because all the data are not practical also here.
Yes.
But it does not mean what Harshit has done. Harshit, I think that or Harsh, that in that case he has divided all the load through other segments. So just at a stage that should not be there. Understood?
Yes.
That you are telling that 20 point something is your multi-story building loading, then you can decide, and your maximum loading for a segment is 17, then you can give 17 from the one point and remaining from other segment. So that the condition is that two segments should be nearby, and that residential building should be near to that, only
Yes,
with that condition. Okay.
Yes.
আচ্ছা, কিষান তো হয়নি বললো। আচ্ছা, ব্লক বি তে কাদের হয়েছে বলো তো? ব্লক বি তো B1 ভিক্টরের হয়নি।
Ma'am, B1 Victor. Ma'am, B1 Victor আর কৌশিকের ছিল, আর B2 টা সৌরভ আর অঙ্কনের ছিল।
ওদের হয়নি। সৌরভের হয়েছিল? সৌরভেরও তো হয়নি বলেছে।
ম্যাম ভুল হয়ে গেছে
বলো।
লোড গুলো অ্যাকচুয়ালি সাইডে ধরে নিছিল একটা লোড।
আচ্ছা, শ্রেয়া তোমার হয়ে গেছে, তুমি তো হয়ে গেছে না, তুমি কি বললে?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, আমার হয়ে গেছে, আমি প্রেজেন্ট করে দিয়েছিলাম।
আর রাজেশের হয়ে গেছে, ওর পাওয়ার নেই এখন, করতে পারছে না তাই।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা, আমি এবার নেক্সট স্টেপটা বলি। আচ্ছা, আমি একবার বলে দিই আমার কাছে রেকর্ডে কি থাকলো। সেটা হচ্ছে ট্রান্সফর্মার পজিশন A1, A2, A3 আর হয়েছে, A4 এর পেন্ডিং আছে, কিছু এরর ছিল তার জন্য। আর বি সেকশন, বি ব্লকের B1, B2 হয়নি, B3 এন্ড B4 এর হয়েছে। আর সি তে C1 হয়েছে, C3 পেন্ডিং, C2 পেন্ডিং, C3 হয়েছে, C4 এর হয়নি, ওদের বাড়িতে কালকে অসুস্থ আছে। আর D1 হয়নি, D2 টু সাম এক্সটেন্ট করেছে অভিমন্যু, আর D3 হয়েছে।
ম্যাম D1 হয়ে গেছে, পিডিএফ বানাচ্ছি, প্রেজেন্ট করব 5-10 মিনিট পরে।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তাহলে শুধু D1 এর বাকি থাকলো। আর কারা বলছিলে ক্যালকুলেশন দেখাবে পরে? আচ্ছা, এবার আমি একটু নোটে ফেরত যাই। ওকে, now the next is selection of LT feeder cross section of each loop, right? So now say in your case, in your sub block there are some loads. I am not drawing the segments, so there are some scattered load and there is one transformer somewhere. Then you have to supply this load with from this transformer with the condition the distributor should go through a road, right? So let us see that this is the thing. So actually it is like this. Here I have not drawn the road, but as if there is a road like this, right? All the segments will be with the road. All the distributor is an overhead distribution, like this. So this is the distribution. Now if there be a road here, I do not know, this depends on the map. In that case obviously we could connect this distributor with this. Why we should connect? Because in that case there will be a ring main system, one loop will be formed. If the loop is formed, then you know that then distribution is better and voltage drop will be lesser. So our aim is now to connect all the loads. So if there are loads, then if we have transformer here, then we should connect all the load with the condition that all the distributor will go over the road and say this is the load point. So here if there be a big actual load, then we shall assume that we have left the connection here. This remaining connection will be done by the consumer. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in that case, when we are doing this distribution, we shall try to make some closed loops. It is not mandatory, sometimes it will not be possible, but if it is possible, it is better. Then voltage distribution will be better, voltage profile, voltage drop will be less, because ring main means it is both end feeding. For both end feeding, always the voltage drop is less. Then what is the function? What is the next step? How we can find out the size of the distributor? At first, tell me the philosophy. Say, if we assume that this is the minimum potential point, this point is the minimum potential point. How we can identify the minimum potential point? Minimum potential point is where the current comes from both the direction. Or minimum potential point, if it is minimum potential point, either it will be fed by them at this point, other current will be bifurcated from this point. So actually the philosophy is where the point around which the direction of current is reversed, that will be the minimum potential point. For this theory is valid for ring main system. For single end feeding, obviously, for single end feeding, if it is only one feeding here, then obviously far end of the load, far end point from the source will be the minimum potential point. Here voltage will be minimum, Vm say. Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have to identify this minimum potential point. Why? Because if say here for this ring main system, if I say, then say here is the minimum potential point. Then as per our power transmission system laws, his V minimum voltage should be available with 5% voltage drop only. Is not it? So 95% voltage of the rated voltage should be available here, right? Vs, say Vs is the supply voltage. So if it is the transformer, then through this current will flow up to this. So voltage drop in this part will be 5% of the rated value. So here it is 5% into 415 by root 3 into 415 by root 3. Have you understood my explanation?
ম্যাম কিন্তু ম্যাম সেটা তো মিনিমাম পোটেনশিয়াল পয়েন্ট কোথায় আসছে সেটা তো ডিপেন্ড করবে যে আমি রিং মেনটা কোথায় দিচ্ছি, মানে রিং মেনটা বেসিক্যালি পোটেন্ট ফিটিং।
হ্যাঁ, তারপর আমি তো এক্সাম্পল বলছি। So at first you have to identify the minimum potential point. How will you find out the minimum potential point from the direction of current? Okay. So now, so if there be minimum, I am telling you how to calculate the distributor side at first. So if in this distributor there are different load segments, at different load segments current are different.
Yes, ma'am.
And there are branching also, because in this distributor there may be one branching here, so current will be different, right? Anyway, at every segment we can calculate the current. So here, say for this branch current drop is I1 R1. So summation of all IR, say if there are ith segment, I number of segment, then summation of II Ri will be equal to that voltage drop del V, right? If there is I equal to 1 to n, whatever be the number of segments in that path. So I we can calculate, so R will be variable. Now if we take same one type of conductor, then resistance per unit length will be same. So not length, ohm per meter. Then we know the length of the segment. So it is actually will be summation of II R into length of that segment, say SI, will be equal to del V. So from there we can calculate what is the R. So now if we can calculate what is R, then in your note at the end, this one table, okay? Resistance per unit length in miles you can convert into ohm. Then say this R you have to convert into, say, miles per ohm, whatever value. So you have, if you see here, you have got R equal to 0.7. So in this equation here, voltage drop is not equal to del V. Actually this should be maximum this, so less or equal to this. So R will be how much less or equal to that? Say 5.5 you have got. Then from here you have seen that R should be less than 0.5. Then obviously less than 0.5, this conductor with cat category will be your selected conductor. Okay. You must remember when resistance is lesser, then obviously it is good. But if you say for if R equal to point less than 0.5, you can take cat, hare, goat, leopard, anything of that. But we should choose cat, not hare. Why? Because when the cross resistance is lesser, that means cross sectional area is higher. So cross sectional area is higher means is a solid conductor. So conductor will be heavier, and along with that, the cost will be higher. So we shall take near to as much as possible near to 0.5. So here the selection will be cat. Understood my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So what now? This is the last task. What is our first task? We have to make this distribution at first. So here, if you have the loads, at present you have the loads, so this one, and you have the conductor transformer position, this one say, then your task is to join all load with the transformer, because load should be connected with the transformer, then only it can get supply, otherwise not. So first task is to join all the load with transformer, maybe directly, maybe indirectly. All the time direct addition connection will not be possible. So this will be the connection as I have shown. But if always we prefer ring main, because if there be ring main, then your voltage distribution is better. So as the example I have drawn here, so this will be the current. From there you can calculate current on all these branches using KVL and KCL. Then where will be the minimum potential point? Say if you get this one as minimum potential point, but in this particular case I have drawn, this should not be minimum potential point, but this will be the minimum potential point, because further to that there is one radial line also. Understood the thing? So we cannot tell that only the minimum potential point we are identifying, that will be the minimum potential point. If there be any radial distribution beyond that, then far end of that radial distribution will be the minimum potential point. Now it may happen that all the distributions are radial, like this. Then there are two factors on which the minimum potential, then obviously all the far end point will be the minimum distribution point, minimum potential point. How we shall decide? If the currents are more in one distributor and the length is also more, so that will be, in that case the potential will be less. So in that way we have to decide. Right now we cannot fix any rule, so it will depend how you are connecting the distributor, how the current distribution are coming. Then we have to decide what is the minimum potential point and which point we shall take as the minimum potential point. Then we shall calculate. So for this example I have shown here, there are two or 3 points where minimum potential point may be there. This may be the minimum potential point, this may be the minimum potential point. And if this length is more, then this C may be the minimum potential point also. So in that case, we have to calculate that R for all these. The R which will give you the minimum value, that will be the conductor size. Minimum value means we need this equation will have minimum value. This equation will give you minimum value. That means it is taking more time, more current is there, and more length it is required to cover. So minimum value of this required for the worst case. Okay. So that thing we shall consider. Understood?
ম্যাম কিন্তু প্রত্যেকটা লোডে কতটা কারেন্ট যাচ্ছে সেটা আমি কি ভোল্টেজ ধরে বের করব?
ওই যে 415 বলে ওটা দেখো টেবিলে আছে, এবার আমি যাচ্ছি সেখানে। When you calculate the load, we shall assume that there is a rated voltage. Then obviously when actual current will flow, then current will be lesser. So load segment current we shall calculate in this way. We shall assume a flat power factor of 0.85, right? And here we are considering all powers as the connected load, not the actual load or the maximum load. Okay. or the maximum demand. We are assuming that maximum connected load may be the maximum load, depending on that. So we are considering the worst condition. And we are considering flat power factor because it is not given. 0.85 lakh. And voltage level is 415 because ideally if the voltage regulation is 0, then voltage available at every point will be 415. But if we want to take the actual value, then it will be an iterative process. That is, there is a special process that is not required right now. We shall do that one in our power system performance. Actually, we are doing actually. This is the 3rd year, so you are calculating in the load flow calculation. We do that one. What will be the actual current, actual power, actual voltage? We calculate by iterative process in load flow calculation. So load flow calculation is a big thing. So in design, we shall not do that one. We assume that the voltage is near to the rated one, 415, and we shall calculate the current.
And then we'll do like then we'll means like draw like a schematic in the paper and then draw the arrows how much current is coming out and then
No. In your map, you have drawn you have made the transformer positions, right? So dot points are there. You just copy that one, connect the transformer with all those dot points with some lines like the conductor. Then use KCL or KVL. KVL will be required for loop. Summation of voltage drop within the loop will be 0, or KCL for the radial distribution system. In that way, your aim is to find the current in every road segment, right? You write this one. This is not the road current. You write this one as load current. Correct this one.
Okay, ma'am.
I have to correct that one. This will be load current. Why? Here, so these are the point. Okay. Those P1, P2 are these load points, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I assume a far end for the as theory, this is the transformer position. Then we have connected all these loads with the source. So these currents are known. P2, P1 by √3 into VL into cos phi. If it is in kilowatt, then we shall multiply it by 10 to the power 3. Right? This is the formula. So that will not be road current. That is the load current. This road segment current you will calculate. So if this is I1, then this current will be I1. This is the simplest one. If this is I2, then it is I1 plus I2. In that way, you have to calculate. Then it will be I1 plus I2 plus I3 in that way. And if there be any, say, ring main there, so like this. So this is the point, so a part of distributor. Within that, so these are the some load. Say, I am again writing P1, P2, P3. In that case, you have to assume some loop current I or IL, and you know this I1, I2, I3. So from there you can calculate this branch current, right? Here say it will be IL. So here it will be IL minus I1 in that way by applying KCL as you write. Okay. So in that way, so here in that way you will find out all the branch current. Then summation of all branch drops will be 0. From there you can solve this IL. If you can solve IL, then you can get the numerical value of these currents. From there you will get where the current direction is changing. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be a lengthy process. So you do one by one, and if for this one also there will be several confusion from section to section, from subblock to subblock. So you send your query by email. I shall check and suggest accordingly. So our aim is at this moment 1 minute.
This is very lengthy process, ma'am.
No, not so lengthy. For that reason, it is suggested that you should not make the loops more than 3 for design purpose. And this equation you write. So if you make these equations, there will be one equation of current KVL. Similarly, for 3 loops, there will be 3 equations. You solve the equations by MATLAB. Okay. So summation that will be one matrix. You have to solve IL1, IL2, IL3. From KVL, you will get some matrix, some constant on right hand side, say K1, K2, K3. And here there will be a matrix, impedance like matrix. So you just invert this matrix and multiply with this, then you can get this one directly. If you have already done the current calculation when you have done the transformer position, so these currents are known. If there be any loop, you have to make this calculation only. This calculation, only the addition, you can do it, right? It will not be so lengthy. The street light marking or street segmentation was far lengthy than this. So this table you complete and make it load current instead of load. Then you see whatever I have told, that is written. Just you take a maximum allow 5% of voltage drop, then summation of IR will be less than this 5%. So from that table, you calculate that one. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
At first, it is better you do the load. Now you connect the distributor at first and check whether what you are finding. And for the to be scared about the loop, you do not avoid the loops. But if you avoid the loop, then what will happen? For some student, I have told not to shift the transformer very much, because in that case it will happen. It will come less than this mouse. It will be 0.05. So if it is coming 0.05, that means to maintain the 5% voltage drop, you need the conductor with the cross section 0.05. That is not available. So you have to select this mouse 0.08. If you calculate again the regulation with 0.0887, you will find the regulation will be far higher. So transformer position, we should not deviate from very much from the load center for that reason. Secondly, we shall make loop if possible, ring main if possible. Right? In practical case, there are several methods when the current distribution is different. There we can use the different conductor, but we shall not go through those rigorous process right now. We shall calculate flatly. If anybody could not understood, then please tell me.
Ma'am, how to calculate resistance
Ma'am,
of
so at
conductor?
first
Huh?
How to calculate resistance of conductor? Can you explain one more time?
Say if you have some load positions, right? You have some one transformer position. Then you connect at first all loads with the transformer. Like this. This is a simple one I have done. So if you connect them, these currents are known. From the table, you have filled up for transformer position. So you know these tables, then you can calculate these currents as I have drawn. This should not be there. Should be to some extent different. Should not come in this way. So actually this is the I1. So here this current will be I1. This current will be I1 plus I2. This current will be I3. Then this current will be I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now we assume that we are using same conductor with R ohm per kilometer. Then from the practical data, it is seen that this will be the minimum potential point. A will be the minimum potential point. So S is the source. Then VSA will be the voltage drop in that part. It should be 5% of the rated. 5% of 415 by root 3. Why root 3? Because we are calculating per phase basis. Then what is VSA? So say if this point is B, this point is C, then VSC plus VCB plus VAB. You do not consider drop or rise. I am not written sign in that way. I am assuming all the drops into 415 into 5%. Then VSC is I1 plus I2 plus I3.
Basically, like a problem of concentrated loading that we did in second.
Yes. But now it is concentrated loading, but if we have made I1, I2, I3 all are same, then it will come as the distributed loading.
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am. We have made the concentrated loading, but the distance between the two loads, we are taking that as concentrated load.
No. This I1, I2 will be same near to each other if we could make the current, the power distribution equal. That we had discussed at the starting of this class.
Yes, ma'am, that I understood. I'm just saying that in case of completely perfectly distributed loading, we have to integrate the voltage drop. But in this case, we can just multiply.
Yes, because if we integrate, multiply, why multiply? We are integrating, we are adding all the voltage drops.
Yes, ma'am. In this case, we are just doing I1 plus I1 plus I2 R1 plus I2
Yes.
plus I2 plus.
Yes. So in the now it will be into R into length of that CS in that way.
This
In that way you have to do. All we get that will be equal to 5 by 100 into 400 by root 3. And obviously this sign will be less than equal to, not equal to. So we shall get one less than sign. Right? So at first, so this calculation will be direct for the radial system. But if there will be any loop here, say at the last of this, so from there some distribution is there, then obviously this branch current we have to calculate after calculating this loop current. Then the things are same. So here, if after calculation of branch current, if you see at any point the current direction is changing, say at this point, here the current is like this. Then obviously this is the minimum potential point. Then obviously the potential drop will be minimum potential point from here up to here. We have to calculate the voltage drop. From there we have to calculate R. So do not think about so much possibilities right now. At first we calculate, you connect the load, see how you can connect the load for your subblock. Then you decide whether you can make a loop, 1 or 2 loop or not. Then you calculate the current at first. Understood? Then we shall think about the resistance. But the method of resistance calculation is there. If you do not know that, why you are doing that, then we will not find interest. So I am telling this thing. Have you understood?
Yes,
Who was
ma'am.
asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any question more? Okay, then I am leaving. You also leave. And for this current distribution,
Ma'am,
you must.
should I show my work?
Yes, you should.
Ma'am, should I show my work
Yes,
for
you should.
last class, last day?
Okay, sure.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the end of the class. If anybody want to leave the class, you can.
Ma'am, this is the table I have made. And
So this is 80 something. It is
where
your
on
load
this?
flow. So this is your position.
Load current.
Huh?
Transformer position is, ma'am, somewhat 7.138, 4.466.
You are
So
showing
in
somewhere.
this, it comes in 55 segment.
You keep it
55
at
segment.
55. You keep it at 55. Do not shift it to the road segment. So from 55, you
Yes, ma'am.
connect all the loads, right? For your case, there will be 2 loops as per I see.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can make loops and you calculate all the currents and solve it. Okay, it is right. I do not know how you have calculated
Yes,
load distribution. I hope you have calculated as I have told.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I have first page I have not attached in PDF where I calculated K value. It is 51.187 kV.
Okay, no problem.
And
That is
I got
I
somewhat near value in all 51.1 to 50.6 plus minus 1 maximum.
okay. Okay.
Should I stop sharing now?
Yes, stop sharing. And everybody should keep your exercise book ready. Okay, so that during submission there will be no issue. Okay. So you can leave the meeting right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. And you should